Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Spencer and this is my Tacoma behind me. And in today's video, we're going to be installing this Diode Dynamics 30-inch light bar. This goes in behind the grill and I picked this up from ProLights here in Canada. Let's go get started with the install. Alright, so getting started, we need to remove the front grill. There's two 10mm bolts and two clips on the top. Take those out and then the grill should firmly pull out. Then inside you'll find the crash beam. We need to remove the two 14mm bolts on the outsides. It's a tight space, but use your wrench and take your time. Once we have those out, we can go get our brackets. These will carefully align into position over top of those 14mm bolts we just removed, and then you can hand tighten the bolts back on. Next up's the actual light bar itself. Now there's a lot of different hardware included for a lot of different styles of installation, but for the Tacoma and the kit, you'll just need to use the two 10mm bolts on both sides. You carefully rotate the light bar into position between the brackets, and then you can hand tighten in those bolts as well. Now this is the point we can align everything up. You might make some adjustments later on, but for now, you can just get everything nice and straight, and then you can fully tighten those bolts down the rest of the way. Be careful not to over tighten. Now before we proceed to the wiring stage, it's a good idea to give everything a quick test at this point by just connecting the positive and the negative, and then the connection to the light bar. Flip the switch on just to make sure it's working. Moving on to the last step, wiring everything up. This might seem a little overwhelming at first, but there's only 3 simple steps. First thing we need to do is run the wire for the switch through the firewall. We found the driver's side to be the easiest because you can actually reach up in there and pull that wire through pretty easily. This is the wire that you're going to end up connecting to your switch to turn it on and off. Next up is just connecting the battery and the actual light bar itself. So the red goes onto the positive and the black goes onto the negative, and it's a simple plug and play to the light bar. I ended up replacing the included switch with a Toyota style OEM switch in one of the blank spots beneath the radio. Just fished that through with a tool, pretty straightforward. I really like the clean look of this install. After we finished up with the install, we headed out for a fire and to have a couple drinks with our friends, as well as to put the new light bar to the test. My initial impressions are pretty damn awesome. The added light is great in the dark backcountry roads. I actually ended up swapping out 2 of the lenses on the outsides of the light bar with amber flood lenses. So I kind of have a driving amber flood combo going on, and I think this setup performs and looks fantastic. If you guys would like to check out this light bar, make sure to visit the link in the description below to head on over to ProLights here in Canada. They actually ship down to the US as well, so you can save yourself a little bit of money on the exchange. Thanks for watching, guys. I truly appreciate all the love and support lately. The channel's been doing exceptionally well. It's been seriously blowing up. We're slowly building this Tacoma in preparation for our travel and expedition. So thanks again, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.